The KLUDGE R98 Pro is a wired mechanical keyboard designed for users who want a compact layout without giving up the convenience of a dedicated number pad. Its 96% layout keeps the keyboard more space-efficient than a traditional full-size design, while still providing the keys needed for everyday typing, gaming, and number-focused tasks. That makes it an interesting option for anyone who wants a cleaner desktop setup but does not want to sacrifice the practicality of a numpad. One of the main features is its mechanical keyboard design, which is well suited to people looking for a more tactile and engaging typing experience than a standard keyboard can provide. The R98 Pro is also described as a creamy gaming keyboard, suggesting that its design is focused not only on functionality, but also on a smooth and appealing keyboard feel. For gaming, the compact 96% arrangement can help preserve more desk space while keeping the essential keys within reach, which may be useful for setups where room around the keyboard matters. The built-in number pad is another practical advantage. Many compact keyboards remove the numpad to save space, but the R98 Pro takes a different approach by keeping it while reducing the overall footprint through its 96% layout. This makes the keyboard particularly suitable for users who regularly work with numbers, spreadsheets, data entry, or other tasks where a dedicated number pad is convenient. RGB backlighting adds another layer of customization to the overall setup. Beyond its visual appeal, backlighting can make the keys easier to see in lower light environments, while giving gaming desks a more distinctive appearance. Because this is a wired keyboard, it is also geared toward a straightforward desktop connection without the need to consider wireless operation. Overall, the KLUDGE R98 Pro makes the most sense for someone looking for a mechanical gaming keyboard that balances a relatively compact layout with full-size practicality. The main trade-off is that its 96% design is still larger than smaller tankulus or compact keyboards, but that extra space comes with the benefit of a dedicated number pad. For users who want mechanical keys, RGB backlighting, and a space-conscious layout without giving up numeric input, the R98 Pro offers a practical combination of those features.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.